Привет всем, привет из России. Obviously, Bear is very happy today. First of all, the weather has changed, it's broken. There's been one hell of a heat wave here in northwestern Russia. Temperatures were running plus 30 degrees C. That's 15 degrees Celsius higher than average. And of course, I'm building models, lack of paint, all that crap. I'm kind of really happy the weather's changed. That sort of smog sort of stuff over there, we've got forest fires all around the town, and that's why it looks like sort of murky like that. But this is a channel update, so let me just tell you what's going on. Okay, inside we go. Right, okay, the big news, of course, is this. You probably guessed it. We are approaching completion on Sukhoi 33, which is amazing breakthrough. Obviously, when I started the project, I wasn't too sure how long it was going to take. We're up to episode, I think it's going to be 12, is going to be the final one. It's taken just sort of short of 3 months, to do. But this has been a lot of growth on my channel. I've gained a lot of new subscribers. So first of all, shout out to you, and also, of course, I'd like to say hello and thank you to the guys that are supporting me on this channel. I've got a very small amount of subscribers, and your comments are really helpful, really supportive, and they are very much appreciated. But I just hope you're getting stuff out of this. Obviously, this was presented in a very different style to my usual walk-through, talk-through sort of scenario. This has just been music videos, but YouTube seems to like that. So the videos have been a lot higher view counts than what I've had previously. I don't know if it's because it's an aircraft or the filming or the style, but that's just the way it's worked out. So it's been good for me in that terms, but not good for me in that also I like to explain stuff, tell you guys, or what is it? It's just some sort of cartoon or something. The whole idea is that I try and impart knowledge and learning on you guys so that you can build your own models, and have fun and enjoy the hobby. So that's one thing. Now, I did do an update previously, and we talked about what is going to be upcoming. So even though aircraft have proved to be popular on the channel, I will not be neglecting my duties as an armor modeler, okay? So the first thing was we talked about the M3 Lee that's inside that box. That is going to be one of the upcoming builds. It's going to be painting, yeah? And then, of course, I'm going to start a new armor-based subject soon as well. But after that, I'm going to try and run it. I can't guarantee stuff, but I'm going to sort of try and go armor, aircraft, maybe something else back and forth in between them. So I've got aircraft that I've reviewed. This will be an upcoming review. I've got the Crocodile, the Hind. That has got a load of extras to look at. In fact, the review is going to focus on the extras rather than the kit. MiG-15 you've seen, and also I've got another incoming model that's just arrived here in the town. So that'll be a choice of 3 aircraft models to choose from, and I'll let you guys vote on which ones you guys want to see. Also, I've been unpacking a little bit as well, and I might show you around if you guys are interested. Dioramas, some of my older builds, stuff like that. But quite a lot of it needs repairing because it was all boxed up for quite a while. So that's just about it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. But I wanted to share that news with you guys. I'm happy to finish the build, and in another way, I'm sort of a little bit sad because this has been, one of the most enjoyable projects I've undertaken. Not without challenges. I mean, I've been speaking to the leads of Minibase, the actual founder of Minibase, about this kit, and he did say it is an advanced kit. But some of the feedback that I provided and others that have built the kit is going to be rolled into what they're going to make next. So we had, you know, slight fit issues, nothing too bad in you know, compared to what you can come across, believe me. But he wants to improve the next series of kits that come out. And of course, as we came up to the end, I was going to sort of say if there's any problems. The only thing I need to add is that the supplied water transfer stickers are absolutely superb. Those are by Galaxy Models. I don't know how they would be, but they're super thin. They're very opaque. They're very nice. They just look great on the model. So I didn't have any problems with that. And also, you'll see how I did the wing folds. I didn't have really much difficulty at all. So basically, that's the sort of last thing I'll talk about the Sukhoi, and then we'll get the video up. I don't know, I'm going to try and do a bonus thing if I can. But once I finish that final video, you'll see the reveal, etc. I'll probably do another video which combines all 12 episodes into one 50-minute video, just so you don't need to, you know, look through all that stuff. So this is the Bear. I'm out of here, and see you guys soon.